Good evening, ma'am. I'm going to, and this is my video discussion in CLG5 evidence midterm coverage. Number one, what need not to be proved? Litigation matters that must be admitted without need for evidence. Judicial notice is based on the maxim, what is known need to be proved. Hence, when the rules is invoked, the court may dispense with the presentation of evidence on judicial recognizable facts. Amin nagibalan wa mo lang na what is known need to be proved. Kung ano nagibalan na hibawa unay ihibawaan is dapat kay need i-prove. Tapos kung when the rule invoke the court, dapat i-dispense na with kuan kibali with the presentation nan isa ka evidence sa judicial recognizable facts. Judicial notice is the recognizance of certain facts which judges may properly take and act without proof because they already know them. Aminin sa isa judicial notice sabi is pag ma-recognize na gyud ang mga certain na tinuod sa which judge na ma-proper gibalin lang kuan, dapat ilagay i-take or act bisan why proof kay tungod ilan na nahibaw ang daan. Ang purpose of judicial notice, save time, save effort or labor, save expenses in securing and introducing evidence based upon convenience and expediency. Judicial notice, when mandatory, a court shall take judicial notice without the introduction evidence of the existence and territorial extent of states, their political history, forms of government and symbols of nationality, the laws of nations, the admiralty and maritime courts of the world and their seals, the political constitution and history of the Philippines, the official acts of the legislative, consecutive and judicial departments of the national government of the Philippines. Amoy na yan, judicial notice sa mandatory sa court kiba judicial notice without the introduction of evidence. In the national government of the Philippines, the laws of nature, the measure of time and the geographical divisions. Judicial notice, when discretionary, a court may take judicial notice of matters which are of the following. Sa amin ako siyang public knowledge, capable of unquestionable demonstration, ought to be known to judge because their judicial functions. Section 2, Rule 129. A. Public knowledge facts, general notoriety. The matter must be common and general knowledge. It must be well and authoritatively settled and not doubtful or uncertain, and it must be known to be within the limits of the jurisdiction of the court. The principal guide in determining what facts may be assumed to be judicially known is the notoriety. Things of common knowledge, of which courts take judicial matters coming to the knowledge of the men generally in course of the ordinary experiences of life, or they be matters which are generally accepted by mankind as true and are capable of ready and unquestioned demonstration. In things na common knowledge of sa which courts dapat iko ng judicial matters gikan sa knowledge ng mga laki generally sa court of ordinary experiences of life, or matters which generally accepted by mga katawhan mankind as true are capable of ready unquestioned or demonstration. And test of notoriety for the courts to take judicial notice of acts, whether the facts involved is so notoriously known as to take it proper to assume its existence without proof. there must be unconditional acceptance by the public or the segment of the public where the facts is of relevant importance. And test of notoriety for the courts to take judicial notice of facts. And ma-involve sa what is known as the make it proper to assume nan kung ga-exist an bisan without proof na kibalin nan isa ka evidence. This must be unconditional acceptance. Dapat may kuno acceptance na gikan sa public or sa segment of the public na gikan ang tinuod na or relevant and importante. Note the fact that belief is not universal is not controlling for it. It is seldom that any belief of is accepted by everyone. Ang tinuod ko nun ang katuuhan is dili ko no kung lang na universal na pag-control sa isa kasildom na tuuhanan dapat ng tanan. Dili dapat tuuhan ng tanan. It is enough that the matters are familiarly known to the majority of mankind or those persons familiar with the particular matter in question. Republic versus Court of Appeal in number 54886 September 10, 1981. Be capable of unquestionable demonstration, field of professional and scientific knowledge. Ang sabi and capable of dapat kuno may capable na dili na ngay questionon and demonstration sa field ng professional o tapos scientific knowledge. Ought to be known to judge because of their judicial functions, the facts which are ascertainable from the record of court proceedings as to when court notice were received by a party. Dapat sa unang sakuan inianan bansa sa judges ay tungod sa ila judicial functions, the facts which are ascertainable from the record ng court sa proceedings as to when the court notice were received sa isa ka party lang talaman niya kaiban or ano ba. Judicial notice versus judicial knowledge. Judicial notice and judicial knowledge. Judicial knowledge of the court mere personal knowledge of the judge. Judicial notice when hearing necessarily during the trial, the court on its own initiative or request of a party may announce in its intentions to take judicial notice of any matter and allow the parties to be heard thereon. May sabihin sa judicial notice when hearing and hearing kuno is necessary sa during kuno sa trial sa court, dapat magwan na sila ng ila ko ganing initiative or request sa party. Tapos ila sila announce an intention to take para i-take an judicial notice of sa i-take an judicial notice sa any matter nan, tapos i-allow an aton party kibalan anton kuan na mabati sa baniya side after the trial and before judgment or on appeal. The proper court on its own initiative or on request of a party may take judicial notice of any matter and allow the parties to be heard thereon if such matter is decisive of a material issue in the case. Section 3 Rule 129. May giwa na din na duha ka buok an admission tapos confession. An admission in a statement of the facts meant against his interest or unfavorable to the conclusion for which he contends or is inconsistent with facts alleged by him. It is a statement fact does not involve an acknowledgement of guilt or liability. Ang confession namin the declaration of accused expressly acknowledging his guilt of the offense charged. Sa confession yun imo na kibali confess animo imo sa or uno ba pensa or sa accuse na kuan imo nakibali imo gid gi-express na amoyaw imo gibuhat. Judicial admissions. An admission, verbal or written, made by party in the court of the proceeding in the same case does not require proof. The admission may be contradicted only by showing that it was made through palpable mistake or that the imputed admission was not in fact made. Ang sa admission, mudaot sila sa verbal or written na taghimo sa isa ka party sa court of proceedings sa same ra gyapon na case. Dili na sila mag-required ng proof. Ang mismo an admission mag contradicted only by mukha na sila ng pag-showing na taghimo siya through palpable mistakes or that the imputed admission was not in fact made sa section 4129 2019 amendments.